Hey folks, today I've come out to Springbrook National Park to do the Warri circuit. It's about 14 kilometres, so I've started at the top of the canyon lookout and I'm just working my way down through the rainforest now. So I'm just finishing up the walk here now, and I've made it back to the top of the canyon. And wow, what a great track. It took me about 5 hours to complete. So hopefully you enjoyed some of the shots. And if you did, please consider sharing the video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.